Then I had to sit and really think about what is going on in my life. I felt the weight of the world for me to do great.
Hey, what's up, 1428 family? It's Dondre Brown, here to help you invest in your family, your finances, and your future. So I'm here to drop another investing video as we start to end the year. December is almost over. Christmas is coming. But as investors, we have to start thinking about 2021. And more importantly, think about the impacts of 2020 rolling into 2021. First, we had a pandemic that really impacted different stocks, different companies, impacted our lives, impacted our economy, finances, global economy, all those things. And then we had a presidency. So with this presidency, we expect there to be some major changes in 2021. And as investors, we have to be able to forecast what some of those changes are going to be based on politics. As we know, politics is full of a lot of promises, and some of those promises are going to happen, and then some are not going to happen. But let's be real, some of the things that we really know that the president, especially Joe Biden, is going to focus on, he's going to focus on renewable energy, right? If you look at, as we jump into my phone, President Biden had announced a $2 trillion climate plan, right? His goal was to really focus on renewable energy sources. So as investors, what we should be thinking about and looking for is companies that are investing or leading the path in renewable energy, right? So as I was doing my research, I really wanted to look into some of the companies that have done that and are the trailblazers in renewable energy sources. So that brought me to this company. Let's go into Yahoo Finance. Ticker symbol BEP, Brookfield Renewable Partners. So this company is one of the largest renewable energy stocks out there, right? Again, thinking about Biden's $2 trillion action plan, he's really focusing on renewable energy, right? So this play will be a long-term play. Let's dig a little deeper into this, looking at Yahoo Finance. You can look at its revenue and its earnings consistently increasing. But then also the analysts in Yahoo consider this a 1.8 buy, right? It's a strong buy. As we look at some of the details of this company, so BEP, ticker symbol BEP, owns a portfolio of renewable power generating facilities, primarily in North America, Colombia, Brazil, Europe, India, and China. This company generates electricity through hydroelectric, wind, solar, cogeneration, and biomass sources, right? So again, this company is one of the leading companies in renewable energy. Not only that, if we go to Robinhood and type in ticker symbol BEP and go out, say about 3 months, right? We go out about 3 months. This company has had a few different runs, right? If you look at October 6th, then it ran up November 9th, December 1st, right? So this company is gaining momentum as we go into 2021. And we already know that the world is shifting to renewable energies. Look at the EV stocks that are up right now. There are EV stocks that are literally running almost every day because of the focus on electronic and renewable energy, right? So when we have the president committing to a plan of $2 trillion, we have to expect and know that some of these companies are going to benefit. Now, what you have to do is, I would recommend adding to your watch list and just looking at January, February, seeing what the presidency as well as the government is saying about renewable energy. What are some of the companies they are mentioning? They're going to be giving briefs and talking about some of these companies openly, so you want to be aware of what companies they're talking about. Very similar to the presidential debate when they were talking about vaccines. They talked about your Pfizers and your Modernas, right? So as a beginning investor and also our seasoned investors, we want to be able to go in and look at some of these companies and see how they're doing. Literally, I remember during the debate, one of the companies that the president had mentioned, when I looked at that stock the next day, it went up, right? So there are so many things that impacts the potential of a stock to go up. The other piece is contracts, right? what are some of the government contracts that are going into some of these companies? Again, BEP is one of the largest renewable energy sources, so it has a lot of potential to be one of the main contracts for the government. Again, right now, a lot of this is just assumptions, but you definitely want to be open to it. But this is not an assumption. So here's an article between JP Morgan Chase. This was October 27th, where it says new collaboration will help advance JP Morgan Chase's goal to annually source renewable energy for 100% of its global power needs starting in 2020. So you have a large company like JP Morgan Chase collaborating with BEP, right? You want to, again, add this to your watch list. If you're already investing in it, let us know in the comment section. How's it going? When did you get in? And what information you have about it. Another great thing about this company is it pays dividends, right? That's good because they also have a commitment to increase their dividends by 10%, right? So this is again, I don't know if there are other people talking about this play, but this is a play that you definitely want to look at as a long-term position. You want to see what the president is going to say. You want to see how the government is going to collaborate with this type of company and other companies that this company is partnering with, such as JP Morgan Chase. Again, hopefully this information was helpful for you. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Again, I want to thank the people who have got me to over 200 subscribers really fast. Hopefully this channel is providing some good insight, but also teaching you how to go after your own leads. I know when I started, I was listening to a lot of different people and I didn't really know how to go after my own leads. And then I started to recognize that companies, trends, it's everywhere, right? EVs are up right now. You have the biotech stock that are starting to rise. Like, as you get into the market more and listen to the news and do your own research, you'll start to uncover some of these realities. You just have to dig a little deeper, see what some of the analysts are saying, start to look at some of the numbers, and build relationships with some of these companies. Some of these companies are going to be plays that you just make a profit on. Some of them are you want to build a relationship with because those are things that you just want to establish. So for example, you may have some brands such as Under Armour or something. You're like, look, because I buy Under Armour, I'm going to invest in those stock. Or you may just say, I'm really interested in breast cancer research. So you're going to start to look at some of these companies and then start to invest in them that way. Whatever your route is, make sure that your goal is to gain a profit, right? We're not in the stock market just to learn. We're also here to gain a profit. So again, focus on your mindset, your momentum, and your money, and think about 2021. What is the world going to look like in 2021 when the pandemic, the vaccines are hitting, all these other things? Start to think about those things, start to research companies. Let me know in the comment section, are there other companies that you've been thinking about but you just haven't had an opportunity to research that could be a great play for 2021? And if you like this video, best believe you're going to see me in the next one. Peace.